guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find, I guess, this send the song message that has been sent to you, well, to your name. So go to sendthesong.xyz and you're going to select start browsing and you're going to type in your name. For instance, mine is Nina, so I'm going to type that in, and you'll see, I guess, like messages that's written to your name. So it's pretty much very anonymous. So you won't know, because like a lot of people will have the same name or something like that. But yeah, that is it. You if you want to read more from the person, select it and it's going to show it to you. Okay, that's a lot. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.